Hi, Ann Wood with Chris Realty. I'm here to talk about the NAR settlement and open houses. I'm hosting an open house right now, and a lot of buyers are asking, can I go into an open house without a written buyer's agreement signed first? And the answer to that is yes, you can. But let's say you end up falling in love with that home and you want to write an offer on it. Well, then you do need to get into a buyer's written agreement. But at the same time, if you haven't already done so, you need to interview an agent. Find the one that is going to do the best job for you to help you with your home purchase. There's a lot of stuff that goes into buying a home. So you want to ask each agent that you interview, how many homes have you sold in the last year? How much experience do you have? How many years have you been doing this? So make sure that you do your due diligence and find the right agent for you. My name is Ann Wood. I'm with Chris Realty. I would love to interview for that.